All right, y'all, for day 15 of my July series where I cook and try other food content creators' recipes, we've got Austin Dennis's Cajun Crack Dip. Let me show you how he makes it. Oh. 1 block of softened cream cheese. If you're not from the South and you don't know what boudin is, it's basically seasonings, pork, and rice in like a packaging, and it's absolutely delicious. So we're gonna use up all 3 of these links. Take your knife and cut right down the middle. And then we're just gonna peel off the casing. Keep those dirty thoughts inside your mind. They're just so good. I'm just gonna cut these up into small pieces. All right, we've got all that boudin cut up into like this size pieces. Add this into the same mixing bowl with that cream cheese. Then he adds 16 ounces of sour cream. This is 14 ounces, so I'm just gonna add this entire thing. Next, he shreds up 8 ounces or 1 bag of Colby Jack cheese. I shredded a block myself. So I'm gonna add like half of this and save half for the top. Then he seasons this up. He uses his seasoning, which, Austin, hook me up, I need some. I don't have the seasoning he uses, so I'm gonna use this Ragin' Cajun all-purpose seasoning. And just eyeballing this, I'm gonna generously season this up. And don't forget to pay your dues. Now I'm gonna attempt to mix all of this up. Wish me luck. All right, I've got this very nice and combined. Pour this into the baking pan. Oh my God, that's good. I'm gonna top with the remainder of our cheese. I'm just gonna top this with a little bit more of the all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna stick this in the oven on 350 degrees and cook it until it's nice and cheesy and bubbly, and I'll see you when it's ready. All right, y'all, it's ready and looks absolutely phenomenal. I'm gonna let it cool and we're gonna dig in. I've got pita chips and scoops. I could not decide which one. Look how cheesy. That is something fierce right there, Austin. To a pita chip. That is beautiful. I'm gonna add some of these Lafitte's candied jalapenos. Y'all ready for this? Candied jalapenos. Have a bite. Oh yeah. Y'all gotta go make this Cajun Crack Dip.